Do you know how to use your negative thoughts to make money? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But first, hit like and subscribe so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you want to make $1,000 in the next 30 days, then click the link below. It's completely free and there's only 20 spots available. So sign up right now before someone else takes your spot. You already know that having positive thoughts can help you get what you want out of life. But did you know that you can use your negative thoughts to make even more money? That's right! You heard me correctly. You can use your negative thoughts to make money. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But first, I need you to smash that like button and subscribe. This is the only way that you can support me and this channel. So please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing. Thank you! So many people struggle with their inner dialogue, their thoughts, and they don't know what to do about it. Some try to ignore them, others try to fight them. But there's a better way. You see? Your thoughts are just that. Thoughts. They're not facts. They're not true. They're just thoughts. And you can use this to your advantage. For example, let's say you try and make money online and you have a negative thought like, I am not good enough, or I am not smart enough. Instead of fighting this thought, embrace it. Use it as fuel to prove to yourself that you are good enough and smart enough. Let this negative thought drive you to take action. Another example is if you have a fear of public speaking, instead of trying to ignore it or pretend that it's not there, embrace it. Use it as motivation to prepare and practice your speech until you read so good that the audience can help. But listen, here's another one. If you feel like you're not talented enough, then use that negative thought to push yourself to learn and grow. Become so good at what you do that there's no denying your talent. Let me tell you a story about a man who learned how to use his negative thoughts to achieve success. He was a writer who struggled with self-doubts and negative thoughts. But instead of letting these thoughts hold him back, he used them to push himself to write better and better until he became a best-selling author. Think about it. When we focus on the negative, we create a negative experience for ourselves. But when we choose to focus on the positive, we create a positive experience for ourselves. So why not make your negative thoughts work for you instead of against you? It's time to stop fighting your negative thoughts and start using them to your advantage. Become the person that you want to be by embracing your negative thoughts and turning them into fuel for success. Now, I want you to take a moment to think about your goals. What are you struggling to achieve? Write it down in the comments below. Then I want you to think of a negative thought that you have about yourself that's holding you back from achieving this goal. Once you've identified the negative thought, I want you to embrace it and use it as fuel to achieve your goal. Write a new comment below with the negative thought that you re-embracing and the goal that you reusing it to achieve. For example, my negative thought is I am not good enough to start a YouTube channel, and my goal is to start a YouTube channel and get 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. As you can see, you can use your negative thoughts to achieve your goals. It's all about how you choose to focus your attention. So next time you have a negative thought, don't fight it. Embrace it and use it to your advantage. If you want more tips on how to do this, then click the video on screen now. But if you want to make $1,000 in the next 30 days, then click the link below. It's completely free and there's only 20 spots available. So sign up right now before someone else takes your spot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.